On Arizona Midday this week.
Welcome back, everyone. Now that the temperatures are getting warmer, and let me tell you, we're outside and they are warm, you need to start thinking about your AC. You don't have to turn it on yet, but you should at least start thinking about a tune-up. Now, joining me now is Paul, the president of Parker & Sons. Thanks for being here.
Well, thanks for having me.
All right, first of all, why should we get an air conditioner tune-up?
Well, if you have a newer system, it's required by the manufacturer in order for your warranty to be valid.
I didn't know
so,
that. A yearly tune-up?
Yeah, a yearly tune-up. And of course, if your system's older, it'll prevent repairs, extend the life of your equipment, and it'll save you some money on your utility bill.
And that's major because, of course, we know in Arizona they start skyrocketing about this time.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what is all involved in a tune-up?
Well, basically, I brought along a Freon tank. I brought some gauges. These are just a couple of the tools that we use. But basically, if you could zoom in on this maybe, we basically have, we look at your outdoor unit, your indoor unit. It's a 40-point check, so we're looking at everything from the Freon levels to the pressures that your system's running at, and also make sure you're not having any leaks, and just give it a complete once-over. And so by doing this, we can tweak certain things like the Freon level. We can lubricate the motors and all those kind of things so you're not breaking down in the middle of the summer.
Yeah, this is a pretty detailed check, and like you said, it's definitely preventative.
Yeah, it's a preventative thing. I mean, it's probably the most expensive thing other than your roof that your house has, and so you definitely want to take care of it. The compressor is the most expensive part of your system, and if that goes bad, it can cost you anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. So by just getting a tune-up, you know, you can really prevent all that.
Okay, and this, of course, is what you really need. This is the Freon.
Freon, yeah, that's what that goes through your system, goes over your coil, and then a fan blows over it and actually cools off your house. So the Freon is what really cools your house off.
Yeah, and you need to make sure you have the right level.
Yeah, because even if it's just a pound low or even a pound over, it can cost you hundreds of dollars during the summer extra. And so you really want to fine-tune how much Freon's in your system.
And we were talking to, and I said, you know, it's hard. I need to turn on my AC earlier because my baby's room is the hottest room in the house. And I don't get it.
Yeah, well, it depends where that room is in your house and how much air is getting to it. So a lot of people don't use certain rooms. I see people changing bedrooms. I see people not using a very nice den where they work at home, and during the summer they're working at their kitchen table.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And really, a lot of times it can be a very simple fix as far as adjusting the amount of airflow that's going to that room. And we can actually do that during the tune-up. So for those rooms that are too hot or too cold, we can adjust it.
All right, that is a really good piece of information. Now, why should we get the tune-up now, and why should we choose Parker & Sons?
Well, basically now because we're only,
because we're hot out here
minutes away
now.
from being hot here. Basically, the summer's right around the corner. You don't want to wait till it's in the middle of July when you got company over and all of a sudden you don't have air conditioning. So now is the best time. Most companies, whether it's us or somebody else, most companies are doing their tune-ups right now. So now's the best time. Parker & Sons, we do a tune-up right. We do a full tune-up. We won the Better Business Bureau Torch Award for Business Ethics. We do it the right way, and you can trust us. And for most people, it's just a tune-up.
Okay.
You know, a lot of people don't need anything done to their system. They just need it tuned up.
Get it checked out.
Right.
And for more information, you can go to parkerandsons.com. You can also call the number on your screen, which is 602-2-REPAIR. You made it easy. Thanks so much.
And we even have a special for $69, save $30 right now. So.
Okay, great. Tell me that special again.
It's $69 for a tune-up. It saves you $30. The regular price is $99.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. And hey, everyone, a lot more to come next on Arizona Midday. A new program called CompuGirls is reaching out to teens with technology. And later, a simple craft idea for Easter that's fun for the family. Don't go